And today, our great sponsor, Brunswick, is giving us a lovely recipe for a tuna pastry. We're going to focus on the filling today, see what we have here. We're going to fill it into some pastry and get it in the oven. Let's get started. So we're starting off with 2 cans of Brunswick tuna that is either flaked or chunked. If it's chunked, just give it a little flake, that's all. We have about 1/4 cup, a bit more of mayonnaise. This is going to add a nice little moisture to our filling when it goes into our pastry. Alright, I have some chopped shadow benny here. Must give that nice little local flavor. There's some chopped chives, and this is my bowl of peppers, as I call it. I have sweet bell peppers, I have some pimento, and I have a little bit of local hot pepper here as well. Alright, gonna add that in. This is gonna add some tremendous flavor and a bit of texture to our filling. Alright, I'm gonna top this off with a bit of sweet chili sauce. Add some sweetness, a bit of tartness in there as well. Let's season up a little bit. Touch of salt, some black pepper, some garlic powder, onion powder. Alright, let's just mix this up and then we'll fill them in some pastries and get them in the oven. Okay, so I have some pastry that I bought at the grocery store and I roll it out into some squares. You can get ready-made pastry at most places these days, or we'll provide a recipe online to make your own as well. Alright, so I'm going to put my filling in the center there. So we're going to take some egg wash. This is to help our pastry stick around, brush around. This is kind of a glue for our pastry. Alright, so just going to simple fold over, press our edges down. We're going to do those edges just now. Just basically making a nice little pie. Take a little fork and just crimp our edges like this. This is going to help seal our pies in and seal our filling in. Right, so we're going to place this. I'm going to place this in a pan. A thick pan. You can use a baking tray as well. I'm using a thick pan because it helps to keep the edges and the bottom of the pastry from burning. Some garlic butter is going to provide a nice little flavor into our pastry and give a beautiful color as well. You can add some fresh parsley to this garlic butter as well. So we're going to put this in the oven at 350 for about 25 minutes and have a peek on it then. Alright, let's get it in. So we're going to check on our tuna pastries now, see if they're finished. We'll plate them up and brush them with some butter. Oh yes, and they look beautiful. Alright, you can see that garlic has caramelized, give it a little sheen, it gives a little extra flavor as well. You put some fresh chives in this butter. There you have it. Some hot tuna pastries from Brunswick. We'll see you next time. Enjoy yourself.